Glowing news from Texas Instruments. The company's saying that it will be having a bright year in 2008. Rising orders from cell phone makers. The stock is up on the news, and probably just another sign of the health we're experiencing in the tech sector. Welcome, Jim Cramer.
Hi.
So now you're saying that this is Texas Instruments is sort of the it tech stock right now in terms of what it is saying to investors about the fortitude of technology.
Well, I mean, I think that what you want to focus on when you're looking at tech is try to see through what the market will look like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What is the group that I mean, look, obviously agriculture is very strong. Oil is up, down, oil. I like oil. But what group has incrementally gotten more positive? And the answer is tech. Texas Instruments have been saying they thought that things would be weaker, and that made you think that, well, hold it, maybe Nokia, where they sell it to.
Nokia.
Right, and Ericsson. They've taken that off the table. It makes me emboldened to think that, well, Hewlett-Packard is still really good. I own that for ActionAlersPlus.com. A National Semi said things weren't as bad as they thought. Texas Instruments said things aren't so bad as they thought. Intel has been saying things are pretty good. Western Digital has been saying things are really good. You have enough companies in a cohort to recognize that this may be a kind of bulletproof between here and your end story.
And you're saying when you say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that means that they're immune to what the Fed decides on.
I mean, I think a lot of these companies are rest of world companies, but also a lot of these companies are experiencing what we had thought wasn't possible, which is the notion that the consumer is not slowing down. I've been recommending Corning Glass. Now, Corning Glass has now run a lot from where I liked it last, but Corning is another sign of things are more robust in big screen TVs. There hasn't been a lot of price cutting in big screen TVs. We learned that from the Goldman Best Buy note. Texas Instruments is saying that cell phones isn't that bad. We know that PCs are very strong from Hewlett-Packard and from Western Digital. So you start making a longer-term view and say, Cisco, I think, should never have been down as much as it was. You start taking a look and say, well, wait a second, all these signs are signs of robust behavior, which we were, after Cisco reported, the whole group traded down, and I think that was a false move. So if you get an opportunity to buy tech, you should take it.
All right, thanks a lot, Jim Cramer, on TXN and how it's telling you what to do in tech. Buy it. That's the Street.com TV on Wall Street Confidential for you. Thanks a lot.